What's up, guys? We're all loaded down in the hit the air quotes.
Moto truck.
Oh, you're completely. You know what? It's still it's a great shot.
Huh?
The camera's not gonna focus.
Well, autofocus.
Okay. Well, anyway, we're all loaded down in the Moto truck. Pretty toit, and we're gonna head out to Brown Mountain. Should be there in about an hour and a half. That's assuming we don't stop and do stuff. But gonna hop in and get on the way. Alrighty guys, we're here. Got the American flag flying. Super neat little country store right at the turn off to go to Brown Mountain. It's right up there. We picked up our passes. And we'll be there in like 2 minutes. So I don't think it'll be too crowded because it's Thursday at 11 o'clock. But see y'all in a second. Alrighty guys, we're all but ready. Gonna throw my helmet on, throw my bag on, and off we go. Cut my gas off. I got mine. Oh, hold up. Cut the gas off.
Okay, hold
on. Don't. I'm underneath. I'm stuck. Hold on.
Okay.
Stop.
Okay.
My leg.
Okay. Hold on.
On. Oh, fuck. You can't pull. I don't know if you can pull me. Hold on. Oh, my ankles. Push the. Drop it. This is definitely the hard trail. Woo! That really hurt.
My gas leaking. We need to be over here on this yellow road. How do we get on that one?
Little update, guys. We've got maybe 30 minutes of riding footage. We're on the way home now.
No, we're not.
Not, like I said, not 30 minutes into actually riding. Peggerwood, I'm gonna say different words than that. Not 30 minutes into riding, he stuffs it real good, tweaks his ankle. I wish he was recording so he could get an angle of what he stood up to look at, but he didn't, so. And now we're lost in BFE.
Because somebody told me to go the wrong way.
This is the right way.
No, it's not.
It is.
We've never been on this road.
This is the right way.
We didn't come in this way.
And we have no reception.
Reception?
Cell reception. Alrighty guys, we are back at Dylan's apartment. He's unloaded. I've got my truck reloaded. So we're done riding for the day. He's over here, he got some new taillights for his truck.
And this factory one's missing a bolt. It's broke off.
He's taking the factory one out right now. I'll show y'all a clip when he gets the new ones in and let you guys see what it looks like. That way there's at least some content to this video.
Yeah.
Joseph's here, got his Focus ST. You've done a little bit to it, tell us about it.
It's got a big intercooler on it and JST tune, that's about it.
Big intercooler's got a tuner on it. And it's got a good tune because he sent it off data logs and stuff and they've tweaked it. He also runs it on, well, it's corn fed, runs it on E30.
E30 occasionally.
He picked up like almost a second,
Yeah.
0.7, 0.8 and a quarter mile. Consistent, not just a one-time deal. So it added a lot more oomph to that thing.
Do something about the not being turned on.
All right, so third brake light, LED. Sorry. Here's the factory tail lights, pink, and here's the aftermarket. See what she looks like. Sorry about all the noise. Got a fan going. It's hot. Hot. Not just hot. Hot. Ooh. Ooh. Turn on the running lights.
The whole thing is the turn signal. It's crazy. It's in neutral a couple times.
Turn on the headlights, Joe.
Left side. Twisted.
I want to see that running light come on. Yes,
Oh,
there it is.
Now hit the brakes. Yeah. Turn signal.
Compared to that, you got that. It looks so much better. I want these for my truck. They're the exact same just for my truck.
I like it.
Third brake light's looking good. There's the old steel horse. Buck team pretty good today.